Welcome to this video. So this is a common topic that comes up. Does this represent a function? And they'll give you a list of points. The whole idea of a function is that every x can only go to one y. We can express each of these as a mapping if we wanted to and kind of visualize what's going on. So in our domain, we have 1, 2, 3, and 5. In our range, we have 2, 4, 5, and 8. And we can see that each of these maps there. Since none of these goes to two different y's, the answer is yes, it is a function. And as a shortcut, we can see that no number is listed more than once. So we know that it's got to be a function because it's not telling x to go to two different y's. So now looking at this one, we can try that shortcut again. And if we look at that, there are two 2's. There's a chance this isn't a function. But if you notice, it's the same point twice. The 2 is just being mapped to 2. So if we did a mapping here, 1, 2, and 5, and then the range is 2. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2, and 5 goes to 2. So each of these x's are only going to one y. It's fine that they're all going to the same y. That doesn't matter. Having all these as 2 doesn't make it not a function. That's totally fine. So this one's fine. The answer to this one is yes. Number 3. So now we have 1 going to 2, 1 going to 4, 1 going to 5, and 1 going to 8. So immediately we get a red flag because we see 1 multiple times, and that red flag is justified because in our domain we only have a 1, but that 1 is being mapped to everything in the range, to the 2, to the 4, to the 5, and to the 8. We don't want to have one x going to multiple y's. So the answer for this one is not a function. And now for this last one, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5, 5. Well, since no x is repeated, we automatically know it is a function and draw the mapping. And our domain is 1, 2, 3, and 5, and our range is 1, 2, 3, and 5. And we can see each of these x's only goes to one y. And that's it. So that's how to do these problems. If they ask you, is it a function, they just give you a list of points. Just think of it as a mapping and check to see if any x is going to more than one y. I have more of these practice problems of is it a function on andymath.com. Let me show you the page. So here's the page right here. I'll include a link down below in the description. These are the 4 we did, 2 through 5. Number 1 already has a video. There's also some that are in tables. So does this represent a function as a table? And it's very similar to the concept of every x can't go to more than one y. And these all have answers. And then there's also graphs, which would be the vertical line test. And those also have videos and answers. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.